Hello friends, welcome back to the Byte Bazaar Tech. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the SUMIF formula in Excel to calculate city-wise total sales in a simple and easy way. So friends, as you can see on the screen, we have some data with 3 columns: name, city, and sales. Now, our goal is to find out the total sales for each city. Let's get started. First, click on the cell where you want the result. Now, type equals SUMIF, open parentheses. The SUMIF formula works with 3 main arguments. This is the column where Excel will check the condition. So here, we select the city column because we want city-wise sales. Type a comma. This is the column that contains the values you want to add. Here, we select the sales column. Now, close the bracket. Press the Enter button, and that's it. You'll get the total sales for that particular city. You can now drag the formula down to calculate totals for other cities as well. That's how easily you can use the SUMIF formula in Excel to calculate city-wise total sales. I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Byte Bazaar Tech for more Excel tips and tech tutorials. See you in the next video.